it's giving like I'm a lady, I'm a woman. Like that's what this shoe is giving, and Chanel gives that. Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten, and welcome back to the channel, y'all. Welcome back. We are back. It is Friday. It is another one. And before we get into it, go check out my previous videos. Check out last week's video. I did a spring collective haul. Definitely go check it out. I'll link it up here in the cards, and go check out the previous videos because my videos are good. So go watch, go check it out, get into me, okay? But today's video, we are talking about my luxury designer birthday wish list. My birthday is in 3 months. I'm always shopping, looking to buy new things, add things to the wardrobe, the collection, all the things. And I have been wanting some luxury items. So I want to show you guys, talk about 5 items that I want to add to my wardrobe, to my collection, all the things. And then we're gonna get into a little haul because I just got some new skincare. I wanted to include it last week for the haul, but you know, I ordered it last week, so obviously it wasn't gonna come in time. So we're gonna include it today. It is from S'ableLabs. It is Sabrina Elba and Idris Elba's skincare line. Let's get into the video. First things first, let's talk about my birthday wish list, what I want to add into my wardrobe, into the collection. The first thing on the list is the Chanel slingbacks from this season, spring summer 2026. It is Matthew Blazy's first collection with Chanel. These shoes are so good, so sickening. I need these, literally. I have never wanted a Chanel shoe so bad in my life. But I really want these, and I really need these. Specifically this one in the off-white ivory and the black. It is so good. I love this one, and I also love the one in the black and that mint green, that blue. It is so good. There's also one in like a croc burgundy that's really good, but I really just want these slingbacks. Like if I could get my hand on any pair, it would be this one. It is such, it's giving like I'm a lady, I'm a woman. Like that's what this shoe is giving, and Chanel gives that. Chanel gives that dainty, womanly vibe, and this shoe is giving that. It looks, the heel looks really good. It's not too high and it's not too short, and I love that. You can definitely walk in these. Price is $1,275, $1,275. It is lambskin and patent calfskin. That is the material. But yeah, y'all, I need these in my wardrobe. Next is the David Yurman classic cable bracelet in this sterling silver with the 18 karat gold tip, yellow gold to be exact. I am a jewelry girl. I love jewelry, and adding this into my wrist jewelry will be everything. I've been wanting a David Yurman bracelet for a while, so if I can add this in this year, it would be nice. We shall see. The price is $395, which is yes, is $300, almost $400, which is, you know, it sounds crazy, but it's not bad compared to other jewelry, luxury jewelry pieces that I have seen. And I have, like, the Hermes bracelet is like $700 plus more, so $395 is not horrible, okay? But I love the look of it. I love the cable detail. It is so chic, and I just love a good bracelet. And I love, like I said, I love that like prominence of the silver, because I'm trying to add more silver into my jewelry. I'm a gold girl, so adding this in will definitely be really good. Like I said, it's prominent silver, but then it has that little bit of gold, and it will go well with the jewelry that I already have. Next is the Roberto Cavalli Just Cavalli snake watch. I have been having my eye on this watch for about 2 years now, and I still haven't bit the bullet, but maybe this year will be the year. I love this watch. It is definitely reminiscent of the Bulgari Serpentine watch, but for a way less price point, like way less, okay? Way less. Nordstrom Rack has it right now for under $200, which is really, really good. And it is a watch. And I love this one specifically, the gold with that green face. I love that golden green. It is so good. And I need her in my collection. A lot of these pieces, as you can see, are accessories and jewelry. I have so much clothes. I mean, you can never have too much clothes, but right now I don't need any clothes into my wardrobe. I don't need jewelry either, but you know, we're gonna add it, okay? We're gonna add it, but this Cavalli watch is sickening. The next one is another ring, surprise. It is from the brand, the designer Monica Vinader. It is the Signature Link Diamond Ring, which is $275. Again, not a bad price point for a ring, and it is so good. I love the gold with this little sliver of pave lab grown diamonds. Ugh, I love it. And it is 18 karat gold vermeil. Y'all, I need this ring. Monica Vinader in general has really, really good jewelry pieces. I have a couple things in my wish list from this designer, but the first thing that I would love to get is this ring to add to the ring collection. And last but not least, number 5 is the Hermes Vinyl Kelly. Y'all, again, something that I have been wanting for a couple years. Everything, as you guys can see in this wish list, is accessories and jewelry. But this Vinyl Kelly, I saw this bag in 2022 or 2023. Again, it's been a couple years since I have seen it. I haven't bought it yet, but I will be adding it to the collection. I love this bag. It is so different, so chic. I've never seen anybody with it, so I gotta be the one with it, okay? I gotta be that one. I love different shit, and this is different. As you see, it is the vinyl bag. It has the gold detail, and then it has the words on it within the white writing, which I love. This bag was the invite to one of the Hermes shows in the 90s, and during the 1996 show, they revisited it because there were terror attacks going on in Paris in their transit, you know, terror threats and all the things. And when you have a clear bag and a vinyl bag, till this day, if you go to concerts, you know, they tell you bring like a clear bag, which is a safety precaution. This bag symbolized safety for people going to the Hermes shows and going to different Fashion Week shows and walking around the city, because obviously with this kind of bag, you see what is in your handbag. So I love the symbolism of it, but I also love the look. It is so cute and so chic, and I will be adding her into my wardrobe. Yes, we are speaking it into existence. That is the top 5 luxury purchases, my luxury wish list, birthday wish list that I would love to add. But now let's get into the unboxing of my new skincare. So S'ableLabs, like I said, it is Sabrina Idris Elba, their skincare line, which was launched in 2022. And I think, was it 20? Yeah, definitely 2023. I bought the try set. They have the set where you can like test it, the tester set. It comes in like the small bottles, so you can test it out, see how it looks on your skin, how your skin is doing with it. And now I bit the bullet and bought the larger size, the bigger size, because I liked the small tester size and I liked how it made my skin look. And since then, S'ableLabs have won many awards, many skincare awards. They have launched new products and it is doing very well. I have seen, like I said, my skin look good when I was using the tester products, and I'm seeing the results in other people's skins. I'm seeing the reviews is doing very well. So I decided to get the bigger products. And last week, which is still going on, they have their 20% off spring sale. So I bought everything with the 20% off sale. So definitely get into it. I'm gonna make sure to link the link down below so you guys can check it out. And I'm gonna link my 5 luxury items that I want for my birthday. I'm gonna link that down below if you guys want to shop it and buy it. But yes, let's get into these products, honey. So first things first, you know, we have to start off with the cleanser. First of all, the packaging is so good. I love this minimal bottle in this like gray brown tone with the white. I love, love, love the packaging, and everything just feels very lightweight. When you put the products on your skin, it just feels very light, and I love that. But yes, we have the Quasel cleanser, and then even look how they packaged it. Like, everything is just sitting really nicely, really cute, and I love it. Then we have the Baobab moisturizer. This is the moisturizer. And then we have the Black Seed toner. This is the toner in this bottle. So when I was doing like the tester, you put the Quasel cleanser first, and then you do the Black Seed toner, and you use like a cotton swab to wipe that in, and then you end off with the Baobab moisturizer. And then something else that I haven't tried that I will be trying now is the Quasel exfoliating mask. I love a good mask, and I haven't been using a face mask in a while, and I was like, we need a face mask. So I got the face mask. I have to try this out. Another product that I want to get next is the okra serum. They have like an okra facial serum, and I need to try that out. I'll try that out next time. This was the limit of what I wanted to spend. So shout out to S'ableLabs, shout out to the discount. It was much appreciated. And then the last thing that I got was the Morning Lip Salve. This is one of their new products where they came out with these different lip salves, which is supposed to help moisturize and rejuvenate your lips. Especially, I live in New York City, going from now, we was in winter, going into the spring, summertime, you know, your lips could be a little cracked and peeling from that weather change. So this is literally perfect. And because I spent a certain amount of money, I got this free tote bag, which I love. So, you know, we love a little gift. So this is the tote bag, and it says, not your auntie's okra. S'ableLabs. Like I said, they have an okra face cream, an okra face serum. So this was super cute, and I definitely will be wearing her. And when I travel with the skincare items, I'm gonna put her in here. Like, that is super cute. So yes, y'all, I will make sure to link, like I said, the products down below. The 20% is still going on. So if you want to shop or buy anything, this is a perfect time to buy anything. And like I said, I will link my 5 luxury birthday wish list items down below as well. And yes, y'all, this is the video. This is the end. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, subscribe to the channel to see more. Like the video, share the video. Follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter. Check out my blog, www.briavankooten.com. Check out my styling portfolio. I am a wardrobe stylist based here in New York City. It will be linked down below in my description box. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, deuces.